Good people. Hey, it's your man, Fat Daddy. Let me start off as always by saying, Daddy loves you no matter what. Well, family, Fat Daddy realized something today. You know, Fat Daddy lives in Georgia. That's in the South. Fat Daddy realized he ain't never done a video about the Waffle House. Oh, have mercy. You can't live in the South and not do a video about the Waffle House. Family, the country could be invaded and Waffle House will be open 24/7, 365. You know, if the Waffle House done closed, all hell done broke loose. The Waffle House is important to the South. Tell you how important it is. There's a thing called the Waffle House Index. What is it? FEMA judges how bad things are in an affected area by how the Waffle House Index. If the index is green, that means things ain't that bad. If the index is yellow, that means that chances are most folks don't have electricity and the infrastructure is probably down. And they know that if it's red, that means all hell done broke loose. And the devil is probably parked in downtown. That's just how important Waffle House is in the South. Today, Fat Daddy done run over to the Waffle House. We got what Waffle House is most known for. The waffle. They ought to be called the hash brown house. Scattered, smothered, covered, chunked, diced, country. It's a few others, but I don't remember them all. But yeah, the hash browns are just as well known as the waffle is. But Fat Daddy got an all-star, so I got a little bit of both. So family, let's go and get this all-star and see what it's hitting on at the Waffle House. Family, Fat Daddy done got the Waffle House. Oh, is it lawful for this good waffle? Shake a leg, shake a leg. Fat Daddy done got him some eggs. Oh, I'm about to boast for the raisin toast. And that is none other than that apple butter. About to rage, cause that sausage. And the whole reason to come to town, Fat Daddy done got him some Waffle House hash browns. Don't know? Well, now you know. Family, Fat Daddy finna get in on it. And we gonna see what it's all hitting for. Family, let's try that waffle. It's got a little whipped spread. Got the little pancake side. Light, fluffy, golden brown. Family, fluffy, thick, delicate, decadent. That's what that. Family, Fat Daddy finna get in on that egg. Cooked to perfection, just the way Fat Daddy like it. Need to put a little salt and pepper on it. But that's it right there. A little bit of that sausage. Patty sausage at its perfection. Raisin toast with apple butter. Family, if you don't know, you better find out. Woo! Oh! That's it right there. That's it right there. And I told you earlier, they may call it the Waffle House. But that right there, that's that hash brown. That's what be hitting at the Waffle House. Fat Daddy got it plain. I normally get it scattered, smothered, and covered. But Fat Daddy finna hit this right here. Family, I don't know if it's the oil or what. But can't nobody copy the flavor of the Waffle House hash brown. Family, I'm not gonna give it a number. I'm just gonna tell you it's an experience, and it's one you ought not to miss. Family, get over there to the Waffle House and do your thing. Remember, I may not know everything, but Daddy knows best. And don't you ever forget, Daddy loves you no matter what. Now come on, let's get in on this.